The average car now costs over $12,000 a year to run, but a premium commuter e-bike costs under $1,000. According to AAA's data, owning and operating a car now costs exactly $12,182 annually. Here is the part most people miss. You aren't just paying for gas. Depreciation and urban parking silently eat thousands every year. Let's look at the e-bike math. Even if you drop $3,000 on a high-end setup, amortized over 5 years plus electricity, maintenance, and gear, you are looking at roughly $950 annually. The bike completely pays for itself in under 6 months. The biggest objection I hear is time. But here is the reality for a typical 10-mile urban commute. With traffic and parking, a car takes 25 to 45 minutes. An e-bike takes 30 to 40. Under 7 miles, the bike is usually faster. Here's a common mistake: buying a traditional bike to save money, then quitting because you arrive sweaty. E-bikes eliminate the sweat factor, ensuring you actually stick with the commute. There is also a massive physiological dividend. A 2017 BMJ study of 250,000 people found cycle commuters have 41% lower all-cause mortality. Factoring in fewer sick days, you save another $500 to $1,200 in healthcare. For an honest caveat, bikes don't magically replace cars for extreme weather or hauling kids. The sweet spot isn't selling your car, it's just keeping it parked more often. If you only bike 3 to 4 days a week, you still extend your car's lifespan and dodge peak traffic. This partial switch reliably saves $4,000 to $8,000 a year. The math overwhelmingly favors the bike. Stop guessing your costs. Go run your own numbers through the AAA cost calculator. Then try just one test commute this weekend while traffic is actually light. The data doesn't lie, so go prove it yourself.